Ki khubor ka bate se TV.
Kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet nishai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Kita long kubor kelihatu bahawa Presiden jangka United States Donald Trump Jingmynjur bagi US kan Hiar Thma yaki Iran hindrai umpat shimpat yakarai ke bakhadu lanu ke US kan sedang namar bahaduk mentau dang persang banyak keran bagi Iran ke deban kongu ban sange no yaki nuclear program jangka. Ki kubor kelihatu bahawa Trump utmu ban Hiar Thma fodo ke jaka ke bagi Iran ke penlang yaki uranium jangka hapo kendau. Hindrai ha ke sange balang unang sensyar ba kelidu ke Iran Ayatollah Ali Khamenei ula keranchai bagi Iran kam tere ban pendam hagar ke jing shapen bor ha ke US. Haba kilat patai kubor kla kili la ke US kan Hiar Thma shisha ne em kumbala batai ki telong kubor utra mulaong ngala banle dengan omle yakata. Khamenei ula maham lu paru bala da ke US ke persang ban pha Shipai shi Israel ke Iran kan amap. Kerbau Defense Secretary John ke US Bad Upid Hexet ulong begitanat Shipai John ke US klapen kre bad ki shuap me ke hukum jong President Trump. Ketma ha pedang ke Israel bad ke Iran mentah laya syak sngi ke bahinyo bad kladon bon ki jing julor habaro arliang.
The destruction or the dismantling of the Fordow nuclear enrichment center, is that a prerequisite for a deal? Is that a red line for you?
No, it's just something that people talk about having. We're the only ones that have the capability to do it, but that doesn't mean I'm going to do it at all. Yeah, we have the best military equipment in the world. You see that with this fight. We have planes that are undetectable, flying around like, nobody's able to see them stealth. You guys want to be stealthy tonight. You can be stealth, you'll never lose, right? But these are incredible planes and weapons. We have the best weapons in the world. By far, nobody close, and certain countries take advantage of that. Israel has incredible weaponry, so we'll see what happens. I've been asked about it by everybody, but I haven't made a decision.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.